Hi everyone, welcome to today lead code problem number 2094, which is finding three digit even numbers. So basically you are given digits, which is array containing number of digits containing digits, and you have to create array of numbers which should be even, and the first digit of any number should not be zero, and you have to create all the unique integers, right? So let's start with the requirement analysis. So first of all, we have to create all the possible integers that follow the requirement, and the number should not be odd, and leading digit should not be zero, right? So okay, so we have to create a unique number. For that, first of all, we'll be creating a set, right? So const, let me create a result which will be the storing the output. Okay, and here what we will do, basically we have created a set, and here we will be trying to run a loop like three times for each digit, and inside the last loop we'll be writing our condition. Okay, so let's start with the first loop. For let I is equal to 0, so this is a brute force approach, right? Since this is the easy method, so we'll be using brute force approach. I less than digits dot length I plus plus, and again we'll be running second for loop for second digit, right? Let j is equal to 0, j less than digits dot length j plus plus. Okay, and again we'll be running third for loop for let k is equal to 0, k less than digits dot length k plus plus. And here we'll be checking our condition, right? Now actually we have to create we have to find all the unique integers, right? So for that we'll check the duplicate. So if I is not equal to j, and j is not equal to k, and I is not equal to k, right? So we don't want to include the same digit, right? So to avoid the duplication, that's why we have written this logic. I and I, j, k should not be equal. I mean, for the same place, and we will be after that we'll be calculating the digits at that position. So for that const, let's say a d1, let's say d1 is equal to uh, digits of I. Okay, const d2 is equal to, sorry, my spelling mistake. Mm, digits of j, const d3 is equal to digits of k, right? So these are the okay digits. Now we have to create a number from digits. So since our numbers would be a three digit, right? So what we will do, d1 into 100 plus d2 into 10 plus d3, right? So in this way we have created a number, but we have not applied the condition which is given in problem statement, right? For example, we have not uh, applied condition for leading zero as well as even number. So we will do that in this if condition. So we will check if d1 is not equal to 0 for like leading 0, and we also check if it is even or not. So how we can check even not from a given number? We will check its last digit, right? So last digit here is D3, and we'll do modulo of 2. If it is equal to 0, means the it is even. So if it is even, what we'll do, we'll push this number in the result. So result dot add number, right? So and we have to return this result, but this is a set, so we have to convert in array. So we will return array dot from. So here we have converted the result into array, and we have to return a sorted array of the unique integers, right? So we have to sort it. So we can apply the sort method of JavaScript. Sort a comma b, and here a minus b, right? So we have sorted our output. Now let's run our test cases. So yeah, it is accepted, and let's try to submit as well. Okay, so there are no error, it is accepted, right? So this is the solution. And though this is a brute force approach, but you should always try to solve any question in brute force way first of all. Then you have to figure it out for optimal way, right? So this is the easy question, that's why I'm not spending much time. Maybe you can paste optimal solution or suggest in the comment, right? Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.